In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your lost Snapchat streak. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to open Snapchat, click on your profiles icon, and then go to settings, scroll down, and under the support tab, click on I need help, click on contact us, select the option which says I lost my snap streak, scroll down, and here you will see a form that you need to fill out. The first option is already filled, which is the username. So start by entering your email address linked with your Snapchat account. Once you have entered your email address, enter your mobile number. Then enter the device that you are currently using. Make sure that it includes brand, model and model series. After that, enter your friend's username with whom you lost the Snapchat streak. Mention the date on which you started facing this issue. Enter how long was your Snapchat streak before it expired. Mine was 52. Now for the second last option which says did you see the time icon, all you have to do is to click on this drop down and select no. And in this final box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. So all you have to do is to write something like I lost my Snapchat streak with the user mentioned above. Although we were sending snaps to one another on daily basis, and most importantly, I didn't see the time icon as well, so please help me recover my Snapchat streak. So once you have written that, all you have to do is to click on this send option. And once you click on send, you will receive a response from Team Snapchat on your registered email address within the next 24 hours. And they will tell you whether your Snapchat streak can be recovered or not. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.